know what's the main problem parents are facing, well, it's not a diet, it's not schooling, then what it is? The problem is how to make their child ready for the future. What to teach them and how to teach them. How to make them ready for the future world of computers. The courses for children which cost thousands and thousands of rupees are not the solution. What you should do and how you should do it. Here is the answer. Just spend 10 minutes with your child. Watch a small video with your child and teach them the very basics of programming and get them ready for the future. Is that so simple? Of course not. So how this works? Well, you need to spend 10 minutes with your child watching the video. Take him to the very basic things on the computer and get them started with computer programming. Our support team will help you if you find anything difficult. For any queries, chat with us.